Number 64. Which bond in each of the following pairs of bonds is the strongest? Okay, so is it a C to O triple bond or is it a C to O double bond? Well, in order to answer these types of questions, always look at what is truly the difference between these two things. So in both of these, I have carbon to oxygen and carbon to oxygen, so that's nothing different. But the only difference here is the type of bond. I have a triple bond here, that's the 3 lines, and I have a double bond here, that's the 2 lines. The difference between those bonds is what's going to tell me the answer. Now, the strongest bond is the most bonds that you collect. If you start collecting bonds, right? And, it's the collection makes you strong, right? So if you have more bonds, that connection is stronger. So in this case, the strongest of the bonds, if your 2 elements are the same, is just coming from the more bonds. So in this case, a triple bond has 3 lines, that's 3 bonds, and a double bond has 2 lines, that's 2 bonds. 3 beats out 2. So a triple bond between carbon and oxygen would be the stronger of the 2. And that is your final answer. Thank you so much for viewing the video. I hope this helped you out. Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to helping you in more questions. And I'll talk to you in the next lesson, all right? I'll talk to you then. Bye-bye.